Alright guys, we got the 2007 Cadillac STS, and we're going to be replacing an engine air filter, guys. And this is the brand that I use. The part number right here. This box is a little raggedy, but don't worry about it, long as the piece in there is good. PA44690, right? That's the part number if you're buying the wicks. That's the part number right there. 42864. Whole bunch of other numbers. Whatever refers to you, your vehicle, your make and model. There it is, guys. So we're going to be replacing this air filter. The housing is right down here below this cover right here. All right, this is the driver's side. And what we need is a tool. You could use a flathead screwdriver. We need to remove a whole bunch of clips here. There's a clip here. All right, this is going to give us access to the housing down below. And there's a clip right there, and I only see 2 clips on this guy. And after that, you should be able to just pick it up, all right? And let's put that right there. All right, guys. So we have our housing right here, guys. It doesn't look so easy, but it's not hard either, right? So you got a little cooling line here. This is for the antifreeze. Just take it up and put it to the side, all right, guys? So let me go get a couple of screws here, the Allen key screws, and we're gonna open this housing up, and we're gonna replace the air filter inside this. All right, air filter is right in here. All right, guys, I went and got me my little electric ratchet with extension and a Phillips head screw. So you could use a flathead or Phillips. You only have 2 of these. All right. So I'm gonna put this in reverse, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove that completely and remove that. These little screws are not gonna come out, so they're gonna be sticking in there. All right, you could turn them a little bit back so they don't bother you, they don't block your clearance. All right, and it's gonna be simple, guys. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna grab this little guy, you're gonna push it back. And the filter is very skinny. You should be able to get it out just like this, guys. All right, you should be able to pull out this filter from the housing very easily, just like that. All right, there's the filter. Doesn't look so good. All right, and to put this filter in, you do need to get this all the way in the bottom. All right, so if that doesn't fit down there, these 2 little legs here doesn't fit down below, your housing is not gonna close completely. All right, guys, so let's get our new filter. There it is. Remove this little guy, put it somewhere. You don't drop it on the engine. All right, guys, so same way. All right, if you put it like this, the feet are gonna be on the opposite side. So you do need to align it properly. So we're gonna simply drop this filter down below just like that. So open the housing. I just don't want to hurt my finger. It's really stiff here. Right? Once you have it in there, you just need to find the legs down below where it belongs. Might take you a moment, but you will figure it out, right? There it is, guys. I got everything aligned. All right, there it is, all right? And now, all we need to do is lock everything up. One, 2, right? And that's it, guys. You're gonna take your line here, put this on, and you're gonna take your cover, which I have all the way down here. Make sure your coolant line is aligned. You're gonna put this back together, and the 2 clips, guys. Don't forget the clips, and that's it. You're done, and that's how you replace this air filter on the engine. All right, guys, thank you subscribe, share, and like all of my videos. If you have any questions, please send me a message.